On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do bilateral meeting with some African leaders dem. Niger Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do bilateral meeting with some African leaders for Abuja. In meeting with Benin Republic Presido Patrice Talon, e sidon on top border wey don close, and this meeting na dem meeting. As Minister for Foreign Affairs Geoffrey Oyema na im give better informate on top wetin dem talk for the meeting.
Mr. President pointed out that the mischief with regards to the borders was really the small arms and other weapons that are smuggled into the country, compromising the security of the country, and that it's not a hostile act against Benin in any way. President Talon indicated that he has full confidence in Mr. President in whatever decision he takes.
Presido Muhammadu Buhari still do meeting with Ivory Coast Presido Alassane Ouattara on top matter wey concern ECOWAS single currency. And them talk this one follow the ECOWAS summit wey shele for Abuja. Presido Ouattara tell Presido Buhari saying be get better support from French government as e be say dem don dey free to leave the union con join ECOWAS. Presido Muhammadu Buhari talks about this sweet time as France no gree block the matter, the one wey concern ECOWAS single currency.
President Ouattara briefed Mr. President on the steps that the French-speaking African countries are taking with respect to the single currency. The idea is to have an ECOWAS single currency. So their single currency is supported by the French government and the French Central Bank. So he was giving a report on the steps that they are taking to delink themselves from that system.
On top the matter wey concern money wey country bin dey borrow from obodo dem, Presido Muhammadu Buhari talk say this one na koko on top infrastructure deve, the one wey go shele for power sector, railway and road dem. He talk say sake of say these things na im go carry better investment shook eye for Naija. For meeting wey im get with Sierra Leone Presido Julius Maada Bio, Presido Muhammadu Buhari talk say he happy well with the work wey dey shele on top security for the country.
It was really a status report on what the president has been doing since he came into power, the measures he's taken, in particular with regards to fighting corruption, and the economic and social measures that are being taken, and especially also in the area of education. And appreciated very much Nigeria's support, financial and human resource-wise, and hoping that Nigeria will continue in this support. And Mr. President committed to continuing the support, pointing out that anything that affects any country in the ECOWAS sub-region affects all of us.
Presido Rochmar Kabore will be Presido for Burkina Faso, still follow do for the bilateral meeting, as in salute Presido Muhammadu Buhari on top the work wey they do to see say Naija waka well, as he no let the katakata wey terrorists them they do for the country make on dabaru the plan wey administration get for Naija people. He talk say Naija na ogbonge country, the one wey oyinbo dey call powerhouse, as e carry economy matter tanda well for Africa. The two leaders them come agree say Naija and Burkina Faso go do them meeting on top all the matter, the one wey concern security and economy. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari still meet Presido for Liberia George Weah, but the talk wey be them done meeting, then at the close down meeting them no tell tori people how the meeting take waka go. Now here we see the informate reach on top with tori for today, as Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don do bilateral meeting with some African leaders them, as this one follow for the matter we shele for ECOWAS summit we shele for Abuja. Make una come sabi say this informate wey reach una so na T Live Media na im carry am come. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.